Right guys, so potentially a very big day today in my diving career. I'm on my way to the pool for what is probably one of the biggest sessions in my diving career. I'm going to be learning a new dive that I never thought I'd ever be doing, one that I vowed to never ever do. For one, I saw no reason to do it. Two, I don't want to do it wrong because that would hurt. I don't think I'll be ever doing this diving competition. I think I'm just doing it just for the sake of doing it, but why not, eh? Why not? So I'm going to take you in my session and film what I've got. Let's get to it.
I got a feeling like left eye. Hey, she be posted on the west side. She always say that that's the best side. So hold up, girl, I thought the best die. I got the gas, she call me Jethro. I hit her up like shorty, let's roll. I hit my plug, he on the west coast.
I think that's all I need. Let's go do it on 3 meter. Today is Wednesday. It's just 5 days until Christmas Day. I just finished training and I just got the best message from my dad saying that my package has been delivered. It's a little Christmas present from my mum. I know some people are probably gonna be like, oh my god, why are you opening a Christmas present before Christmas Day? It's terrible, like you're not allowed to do that, but I don't really care because this is something that can't really wait. It is actually what made this video right here. Oh my god. Yes.
I got a to look like left eye. And she be posted on the west side. She always say that that's the best side. So hold up, girl, I thought the best die. I got the gas, she call me Jethro.
I didn't really know where I knew where I was, but I didn't really know where I was with it. Yeah. No idea, mate. First one down. Absolutely no idea where I was. No idea.
It's like you talk, I never testify. Or better yet, shorty, I would never tell a lie. She understand that nigga always hit the grind. Praying for my mans, cause he really doing time. Do it for the gram, understand I'm jugging mines. I got it off and I never took a down. Now we count a couple bands, cooler by the sin. And simple logic to this shit, apply in the man. They tryna cut it, flowing, I'll be damn. I'm the man, understand, I'm the man. Mirror to the dirty, so I cop the weather band. Now I need a roller getting high.
Alright, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I definitely lost today, but I tried it. I reckon that dive's doable. I just gotta man up and learn how to do it properly. Learn how to come out. I gotta learn how to come out in the right place. But it is possible because I got 2 good starts, so we'll get there. We'll get there. Even though it's just a Christmas present, I mean not just a Christmas present, even though it's a Christmas present, it's a pretty big investment for my mum and a really, really nice thing to do for her. The reason why I got this is so I can make these videos better. It also makes the whole process a bit easier so I can bring you like just more stuff about what I'm doing, about the life of a Jamaican diver, about the guide to Olympic diving, everything that I'm doing. So hopefully this will help to make everything that I do better. There are people who've been watching my videos and they have said how much they enjoy them. A lot of my friends have been watching them and are enjoying it. Friends in Australia, friends in America. What I want is for people to basically share these videos with your friends, just hopefully build the community and build the number of people watching these videos to make it worthwhile, to make this investment for my mum worthwhile, because this is a huge thing for her. I need to show her how much I appreciate it and how much I'm going to put this to use. The life of a Jamaican diver isn't just about me in Leeds, it's not just about Jamaica as a country, and it's not just about diving either. It's about seeing something in front of you and going out and getting it, fighting everything that says that you shouldn't do it and proving all of that wrong. That's exactly what I've done, and that's exactly what I continue to do. I will work hard always in the pool. I'll work hard outside the pool to try and make myself better in every way possible. This is a way that I can help that, and this is a gift from my mum. So let's show my mum how much I appreciate this and let's build this community. I hope everyone has a great Christmas and a really good New Year. I might do one I'll probably do a video before New Year, so I don't need to put it in. I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you all get everything that you have always wanted. Peace out. I'll see you next time.
I got the gas, she call me Jethro. I hit her up like shorty, let's roll. I hit my plug, he on the West Coast.